Apple recently introduced the new Apple Watch Series 7, and in this video I'll explain all the new features you can expect once the product is released this fall. So the aluminum Series 7 Apple Watch is available in new colors, including green and starlight. Although a more noticeable change to this year's Apple Watch is its larger display. The Series 7 comes in 41 and 45mm sizes, compared to the 40 and 44mm Series 6 models. These larger displays feature 20% more area and 60% less bezel. Apple even made the display panel appear to curve into the aluminum body thanks to a light refraction technique applied to the front glass. When it comes to the always-on display feature, Apple increased the brightness while indoors by 70%. Now, thanks to the extra screen space, Apple was able to make some optimizations across the entire operating system. Buttons and apps like Calculator have been redesigned to make tapping them easier and more accurate. Also, for the first time, a keyboard comes to Apple Watch, allowing you to tap or slide from letter to letter just like on iPhone. Another first with the Series 7 is its IP6X certification, which means the device is dust-proof in addition to being water-resistant up to 50 meters. And thanks to its front glass being twice as thick at its tallest point, the display is more resistant to cracking than ever. Finally, Apple brought faster charging to this Series 7. With an updated charging architecture and included fast-charging USB-C cable, it'll take about 45 minutes to go from a 0 to 80% charge. That's 33% faster than the previous Series 6. Or if you're running low on power before bed, 8 minutes of charge will provide 8 hours of sleep tracking through the night. The new Series 7 Apple Watch will start at $399, although Apple hasn't officially announced the prices for the larger 45mm size cellular LTE models or for different materials like stainless steel and titanium. This is Greg with Apple Explained. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next video.